In this tutorial, we will learn how to install Grafana on your local machine and create custom dashboards in Grafana to visualize Prometheus metrics. Step 1 is to install Grafana. Go to Google and type Grafana download. Click the download link. Select Open Source Edition and download the appropriate version for your operating system. Copy the provided curl command and use it to download the Grafana tarball. Create a dedicated directory for Grafana-related files. Extract the contents of the tarball and navigate to the Grafana directory. Enter the bin directory and start the Grafana server on your local machine. Step 2 is to access Grafana Web UI. Check the server logs to verify that Grafana is listening on its default port, which is usually 3000. Open a web browser and navigate to localhost 3000. Log in using the default credentials admin and update the password as needed. Step 3 is to add Prometheus data source. Click on Add Data Source. Select Prometheus from the list. We will let the name be the default value. Add Prometheus server URL. Since Prometheus server is listening on our local machine at port 9090, the URL would be localhost 9090. Click on Save and Test. If you encounter a connection refused error, it suggests that your Prometheus is not running on localhost 9090. Start Prometheus and retest the data source. Step 4 is to create a dashboard. Click on Grafana logo to get redirected to the home page. Click on Dashboard. Click on Add Visualization. Select the data source as Prometheus, which we have just now configured. Now we will create Prometheus metric query. We will randomly select any Prometheus-related metric. We'll add label filter as job name equals Prometheus since this is the job name we have in Prometheus configuration file. Run query. We are now able to visualize the query at runtime. We can add panel title and click on Apply. Likewise, we can create multiple panels in our dashboard. To create another panel, click on Add, followed by Visualization. Now again we create visualization for some other Prometheus query. Give the panel title and apply changes. Now we will click on Grafana logo and save the dashboard. We can open Dashboard from the Dashboards option. Now that you are equipped with the knowledge of how to install Grafana and create custom Grafana dashboards for visualizing metrics, you can now add vital metrics to your dashboards, gaining valuable insights into the systems you are monitoring. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content.